Paano kita na-scam sa scammer? You mean I'm a scammer? How I scam you? I didn't ask a gift from you, okay? And how much you give it to me? Don't be okay. You give only 117 gift and you ask for a call or something show something show up. That's not my price though. If you can afford what I want soon and fast sometimes don't wait stress ka doon yung imbes na tulungan mo ako imbes na sabihin mo sa akin you can help me about my to getting paid how I get how you help me for a stress. Yeah, you give to me a cup, but there's a reason. Never mind. Don't give again. Okay. Don't give me a gift again. That's not my intention. Okay. If you want to see more, if you want to see more, okay, that's not my price. Okay. What's that?